alliance is cemented through NATO and the Ironclad commitment that Article 5 of NATO represents. The dream of an Israel strong enough to defend itself by itself against any threat, backed by an ironclad alliance with the United States of America. He helped build it. But what is true right now is that the Republicans have made a choice that maintaining an ironclad rule that we will not accept an extra dime's worth of revenue makes it very difficult for us to get any larger comprehensive deal.
Future generations without undermining that ironclad guarantee that Medicare represents. We'll reduce our government's Medicare bills by finding.
The previous spring, in the waters outside of Hampton Roads, the ironclad Confederate battleship Virginia had sunk 2 wooden Union ships and advanced on a third. And this endangered the Union blockade of Virginia and threatened Union forces along the Potomac River. But we also made an ironclad commitment to bring our prisoners of war home.
We have an ironclad commitment to the sovereignty, independence, and security of every ally.
We have a treaty obligation, an ironclad commitment to the defense of our